Live lobsters, pink shrimp. Another beautiful day in the Florida Keys. Captain Cook. Pound of shrimp, pink, Keys shrimp. Alright, so we're at the Lazy Days. So they have the jumbo shrimp, $30. We're sitting inside. Tonight we're inside right on the Atlantic Ocean. Can I have what? The yellowtail? The grouper or the yellowtail? So I think I'm going to have the jumbo shrimp and a conch chowder and an iced tea. Alright, so that's here at Lazy Days. The salad comes with your dinner. And you get blue cheese dressing. You can have your choice of dressing. I got mine with blue cheese. For my side, I picked I got a soup instead. I'm gonna have the conch chowder. Draft beer. Is that refreshing? Here at Lazy Days. That's the grouper. Oh no, that's the yellowtail. December 27th, right? Yeah. 2021. This is the conch chowder. There's a lot of conch meat in this one. That's pretty good.
Good.
Here at Lazy Days. I had to wait a little bit for this, but it's good. It's got olives and tomatoes on it. So this is the Barcelona style grouper with olives and tomatoes. Alright, so that's the Lazy Days. They got it decorated for Christmas. They got the Christmas lights around the poles here. You want to look in that store? I don't know if it's open now.
What store?
It's the Lazy Days.
Oh,
Is it Lazy Days?
Sure.
Drop off some.